Hello everyone, and welcome to another brand new episode on my channel, Bohemian Book Club. Today I'll be talking about the book, The Compound Effect, written by Darren Hardy. Darren Hardy is an American author, keynote speaker, advisor, and former publisher of Success magazine. Hardy is a New York Times best-selling author who wrote The Entrepreneur Roller Coaster, Living Your Best Year Ever, and The Compound Effect. The compound effect revolves around the concept that your choices determine your future. Small routine decisions can lead you towards your desired life, or inadvertently steer you towards failure. In this book, Darren Hardy distills essential principles that have driven remarkable success in various areas like business and relationships. This user-friendly system offers a methodical approach to amplifying your achievements, monitoring your advancement, and attaining any goal. If you're committed to living an exceptional life, harness the influence of the compound effect to craft the success you aspire to achieve. Before moving ahead, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Part 1: Immediate results are less rewarding than steady improvement. In today's fast-paced world, there's a strong inclination towards instant gratification, whether it's achieving financial gains or career advancements. However, it's crucial to recognize that lasting, meaningful changes often stem from long-term efforts rather than quick fixes. Our society's obsession with immediacy is evident in our habits such as opting for fast food over cooking a nutritious meal, or seeking rapid weight loss solutions that promise unrealistic results. Yet, the rush to achieve our goals can lead to unintended consequences. Expecting instant outcomes isn't sustainable or healthy. Failing to achieve drastic results within a short time frame can breed disillusionment and a sense of unworthiness. Instead, embracing gradual progress through consistent, small actions is the key to sustainable success. Consider Scott's journey as an example. Rather than attempting a drastic weight loss in a week, he made small adjustments to his daily routine, like reducing calorie intake, listening to self-improvement content, and incorporating extra physical activity. Over time, these incremental changes led to significant results, including weight loss and professional growth. The concept of the compound effect underscores the idea that every decision shapes our future, and that success requires consistent effort over time. However, reaching a goal is only the beginning. Maintaining discipline is essential to sustaining and building upon achievements. Neglecting this discipline can lead to stagnation and eventual decline, akin to restaurants that become complacent after achieving success and lose their appeal. To achieve consistent success, it's crucial to remain patient and focused, avoiding discouragement when immediate results aren't apparent. Instead, prioritize continuous improvement and strive to generate positive outcomes through sustained effort and discipline. Part 2: Transform your life goals into daily habits. At times, we may hesitate to acknowledge it, but our decisions play a pivotal role in shaping our destiny, and we bear responsibility for both our actions and inactions. Often, it's the seemingly inconsequential choices that hinder our path to success. While none of us aspire to become overweight or face financial ruin, these outcomes can result from a series of small, yet detrimental decisions. You might be familiar with scenarios where indulging in a bag of chips leads to regret, derailing an otherwise healthy eating plan for the day. Accepting personal accountability can be challenging. It's tempting to attribute unfavorable outcomes to bad luck, but such excuses merely mask our own poor choices. True fortune lies in recognizing and seizing favorable opportunities. Aligning your decisions with clear objectives and genuine motivation is crucial. Defined goals enable focused pursuit, sharpening your awareness of potential opportunities and facilitating their attainment. The principle of the law of attraction underscores this notion. Positive thoughts and actions attract favorable outcomes. So, what are your aspirations? What brings you joy? Consider various aspects of your life, such as career, health, spirituality, family, and lifestyle. Identify the qualities, behaviors, and traits necessary to achieve these goals, and strive to incorporate them into your daily life. This involves shedding old habits. Reflect on your detrimental behaviors to pinpoint moments when you act counterproductively. For instance, if you crave something sweet after meals, opt for healthier alternatives, like fruit or honey. Surrounding yourself with individuals who share similar goals, and exercising patience with yourself, can also bolster your progress. To listen to more interesting summaries, please subscribe to my channel. Part 3. Create a routine to keep your momentum going. We've discussed how the initial step towards initiating your success lies in making the right decisions. But how do you sustain this momentum? That's where the big Mo comes into play. By consistently practicing positive behaviors over an extended period, you naturally fall into a rhythm. This ongoing momentum fuels further right choices, leading to a sense of invincibility. The big Mo, or significant momentum, stands as the most potent force propelling one towards success. Consider the example of swimmer Michael Phelps, who, through rigorous training and unwavering dedication, harnessed the big Mo, resulting in an astonishing 8 Olympic gold medals. To maintain momentum, it's crucial to integrate healthy behaviors into your daily routine, necessitating a well-thought-out plan. Adopt a realistic approach, and avoid attempting drastic changes within a short time frame. Instead, establish a routine that allows for a gradual transition into your new lifestyle. For instance, rather than committing to intense 2-hour gym sessions daily, opt for a manageable schedule such as 3 one-hour sessions per week. Consistency, not the duration of each workout, is key during the momentum-building phase. Identify and eliminate factors that derail your progress. Media consumption, for instance, can subtly drain your energy and optimism. Redirect your focus towards uplifting sources like inspirational content or meaningful conversations with loved ones, instead of exposing yourself to negativity through news or advertisements. Moreover, recognize the influence of your environment and the people around you. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who encourage your journey towards success, as they play a significant role in sustaining your momentum. Sometimes, altering your environment becomes necessary to facilitate the realization of your dreams. Part 4. Embrace obstacles to accelerate your path to success. As you advance, you're inevitably going to encounter personal barriers. The crucial question is whether you'll halt your progress or surge through those obstacles. Consider your discipline and routines as a metaphorical wall, separating your former self from the stronger, improved version you aspire to become. Over time, your new habits will compound, transforming you into a more successful individual. When faced with what you perceive as your limits, it's imperative to push beyond them to accelerate your results and amplify your success. Recall Arnold Schwarzenegger's renowned cheating principle in weight training. When you reach your maximum lifting capacity, employing strategic adjustments enables you to engage additional muscle groups, allowing for a few extra reps. Likewise, surpassing your personal limitations only serves to fortify your resolve. Imagine reaching within 5 pounds of your weight loss objective, only to encounter a barrier due to work-related stress. Remind yourself that you've already mastered discipline, decision-making, and momentum building, devoid of your former self-destructive tendencies. Opt to persevere, and you'll discover that not only will you achieve your goal, but you'll emerge even more resilient than before. It's always advantageous to exert yourself a bit further, endure a bit longer, and prepare a bit more thoroughly. This principle is exemplified by the author, who dedicates extensive time to researching the companies he addresses in his keynote speeches. His commitment exceeds expectations, rendering his speeches exceptionally well received. If you aspire to surpass both others and your former self, breaking through your limitations is essential. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe. Your comments, likes and shares are highly appreciated. See you soon in our next episode.